Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on and wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you get to spend it with a lot of your family and friends this weekend. I wanted to come on and share with you what Creative Memories is and what we have. So if you're still looking for some Christmas ideas for loved ones, I wanted to come on and share with you that Creative Memories isn't just for scrapbooking. So I wanted to share with you a couple of ideas that we have that if you're having a hard time finding that perfect gift for somebody, I wanted to throw some ideas out for you. So if you're looking for a little boy or a little girl, we have kids scrapbooking kits. It has the album, it has the adhesive, it has pens, it has stickers, it has embellishments, everything they need to make a little album of their own, and they're $30. I do have some in stock, and I'd be happy to ship it to you, or you can go on my website, which I'll put below in the comments. But we have 4 different kids kits. So I wanted to share that with you. Another fun thing is this little tool, or this little case. So it is a tool case. So it unzips. They can put their pens, markers, whatever they have in here. Fun little case. These are $5. I mean, what a cute little stocking stuffer, or something that you could put something in there and gift it to them and make this your wrapper. And then one other thing, this is good for teachers or for your children. So this is a file mate, and you can see it's decorated on the front for school. But this opens up, and then inside you have different colors. So if you're trying to organize your child's things from school, this could be kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, and so forth. Or it could be 1 year if you're putting it in here to later put it into a scrapbook. This is a great way to organize all of your kids' work. I hear from people all the time, what do you do with all the kids' work? You don't want to throw it away, but what are you going to do with it? I mean, your refrigerator is only so big. So this is a great place to put that. These are $22, I believe. So again, great for you to put your child's things in. So moving on to you, we have another great little case. This is the Memory Mate case. I carry these, this is what I use when I go traveling. So I put my makeup in here, I put my toothbrush and toothpaste in here. So it just opens up. It does have Velcro for a divider if you wanted to have 2 different sections. And then it has a fun little zipper on the side. That's where I put my toothbrush because I don't want it in with all my other stuff. So the little zipper on the side is just where my toothbrush goes. So, and it's cute with all the rainbow dots on them. So again, this is called the Memory Mate case, and you can see how big it is. Nice size and easy to throw into your suitcase. All right, the other thing, as you can see, this one is my personal one, is a cup caddy, or just a caddy. So this has places in the middle, it has places on the side for you to put scissors or pens or anything like that. It also has a handle so it's easy to carry. So this can sit on your desk, this can sit on your dresser, wherever it is you're working from. And it is on a lazy Susan, so that makes it fun. So that is just the caddy. All right, pens, who doesn't love pens? And look how cute this is. So it snaps and then it unrolls, and it has several different colors pens in it, and some of these are exclusive to just this roll. So when you're done, it rolls up, comes around, snap it shut, and you've got all your pens right here, easy to take with you. All right, these are some of my favorites. So if you're not scrapbooking, but you want to make cards, or just if you want to send cards, go into big box stores. It's expensive to buy cards. Our cards are about $2 a piece. So they come in these little kits. There's bonus items, so if you don't want the saying that's on them. You're making 12 cards for either $24 or $26. So I love these. I have them at the ready. So if I need to get a card in a hurry, I can just run to my box. So a box of cards with a book of stamps. What a great gift for somebody who you know likes to send cards, or for you so you can send more cards. So there's lots to choose from. Birthday, these are Florida. There's some punny ones. All right, who doesn't love a good pair of scissors? So these are the micro tip scissors, very, very sharp. So you don't want these to be around the kids. This is a regular pair of scissors, still very sharp, but scissors are great to have around. I probably could open my drawers and find a couple of pairs of scissors in there. All right, then 31 Bags just went out of business, and we have bags similar to theirs. So this is the medium sized tote, and it does collapse. So you can pull this section out in the middle, and then it folds up nice and small. So this one's the medium one. We do have this one in the large. Here's the large one. I do still have some of these rainbow ones if you like the rainbow decoration on it. And again, the same thing. The middle piece comes up so it can collapse down and go into the back of your car. So like when I go grocery shopping, I take this, and that way I'm not using so much plastic because I don't like plastic bags. All right, and we have lots of other things, but then one other thing I'm going to share with you is if you have somebody in your family who likes to cook. So our recipe book comes with dividers. It even comes with some paper so you can decorate a page or two. It comes with top loading pages, regular pages, they are top loading. Top loading pages, so you can stick your recipes in here on a piece of this paper. There's some cute, fun embellishments that go with it. Hopefully you can see those with the glare. There is a stack of recipe cards. Let me take them out so you can see those. So these are recipe cards. So fun if you can get family members to put in their favorite recipe, and then they're fun. So you can put the cards on, you could either have it plain or you can put it on something that has a little decoration to it. And then if you're just not sure how to do this, how to put this together and make it look nice, we have a QR code that you can scan, and it tells you how to put it together and shows you samples. So these are just a few ideas of how Creative Memories can help Santa shop this year. You either can tell your family members, hey, I want this, get in touch with Beth, or if it's something you want to give a family member, let me know. This is just a sampling. We have lots of stuff that is great for even the non-scrapbookers. So again, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for all your support during 2025, and I hope you have a great rest of the year and come play with us in 2026.